Somebody needs to adopt this puppy right here I'm holding with kids, because hubby has kids, because he loves kids. He really likes kids. So whoever's watching this video needs to adopt this puppy with kids. Because he loves kids, don't you?
He seems to.
Give me a lick if you like kids.
Did he do
he
it?
Likes kids. He licks me. So that's why he likes kids. Everyone who is watching this video needs to adopt this puppy with kids. This one. This one I think is already adopted, but I don't know.
Yeah, he is. She is. That's Rosie.
Rosie, oh yeah. Oh my God. Hey.
And there's Riley by your foot.
Yeah, I know, Riley. Riley's a remembering name. I'm going to make a volcano.
You are?
Yeah, and it's called the puppy volcano. And then you have to build it up. The puppy volcano is erupted. Somebody needs to adopt this cute little puppy. He's so cute with his little waggy tail. With kids though, because he loves kids really much.
There's Chase over there chewing on the keys. He likes those.
Chase?
That's Chase.
I like that name. Who named? Oh wait, no one bought my puppy yet. I like the name Chase. Who adopted her? Somebody with kids?
I think so.
Yay! He's gonna have kids because he loves to play with kids. See? Oh, and his most favorite thing is to do is play in the couches. So if you have couches, if you're watching them who adopted Chase, his name is I really like, stop couches because he loves couches.
He likes to get under there and jump out.
Yeah. So whoever bought him will love him forever and ever and ever. Because he is the best puppy.
There's Riley. Hey, Riley.
How many puppies have not been adopted, Mom?
Just one, I think.
One?
Ice cream.
Somebody adopt this one? Oh, then what's his name?
I don't know yet.
Okay, but
That's the one we make.
hey,
May keep that one.
we might keep him.
Her. It's a her.
But somebody already adopted.
No. Where's all the other ones?
Well, they're on their couches playing. I'm gonna go.
What do you need a squeaky? Do you need a squeaky for them? Over that?
Yeah.
Get them to come out.
I need you to one. It's really hard to walk in this. I'm about to step you up. Dang, I can't think of it. There you go. Some beautiful puppies have arrived to play with this squeaky. No one knows what the puppies will do. Nobody knows. But somebody needs to adopt ice cream. And it is his name. I came up with it because I'm brilliant. And this is his chocolate cone. See? His head is the chocolate cone, and this is his ice cream.
I see.
My favorite, vanilla.
He's not chocolate, though. He's kind of, his head's kind of black and silver.
Okay, then. It's, what is it? a black chocolate, dark chocolate.
Okay.
Dark chocolate. Those are my favorite
I
cones.
think he's got a leaf. The chocolate puppy does. But he has to track the leaf in.
You mean Fudge? Fudge. Who's adopting him?
We haven't met them yet. We met them. They got another puppy from us.
Them?
A couple years ago.
Mochi?
No, not that one.
Who?
I don't remember what they named the puppy. We'll have to ask them.
Okay, but they had to name him
I think it was
Fudge.
Josie.
Right. Then they had to name him Fudge. That is the best name for Fudge.
I don't know.
He needs to be named Fudge. And this puppy is very nice, see?
I know it. He's very sweet.
That likes me.
He likes you.
He's grunting me.
Riley in your face too.
Ow. I like my ice cream puppy. My dark chocolate cone puppy. I like him. And those chocolate cones are my favorite. Because I dipped one in chocolate one time. You have to do that at home.
Why don't you get a squeaky for them? They'll all come ready.
Whoever's watching this, you have to dip your ice cream cones and chocolate. They taste delicious. I've tried it before. You need to try it.
I don't think that one squeaks anymore.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
This one isn't supposed to squeak.
I think it used. Oh, did not used to.
No, I never did.
Okay,
It's just a plastic.
I see.
There we go. I can't even squish. It's so hard. It's hard to squish. But it can be melted. Oh, and you can melt your wax in a big pot and put your hand in it like this, and you will have a wax hand. Yeah, that's it. You got to try it. It's the best thing yet. Mom. Oh, look, it's my favorite puppy named Ice Cream. Let's see what else I was going to say. In a couple of days, to have kids in a long time, you are going to see a big clubhouse named Aiden and Connor's Epic Clubhouse. And it's got lots of toys in it, so you can play with them, but you can't keep them. And it's upstairs, I think. I don't know. We're just going to get one. I don't know what it's going to look like. And the place is only for kids. Only for kids. Nobody else. Only for kids. People who are teenagers cannot come. Only kids. Just kids. Because there are special things only for kids in there. Like lots of candy. Well, I think lots of candy because I have lots of candy. So we're going to have lots of candy there. And lots of food. Other than that, lots of food. I bet that's ice cream. I'm going to give you second. Here's how you find a puppy under the couch. See? He
They like
friends.